Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Scarlett with Scarlett's Little Crafty Corner, and today I've got another unbagging for you. Now this one comes to me from DPClubs, and before I get into it, I just want to say thank you to all my subscribers. I appreciate each and every one of you, and I hope you're all doing well. And please continue to leave me comments, give me a thumbs up, and yeah, do all the YouTube-y things. Alright, so what did I get from DPClubs? Okay, so I got two of these. Because you can never have too many of these, because we use them all the time for everything. I use mine for everything. A lot of us, when we go to section off our kits, we put the washi tape around our kits. And then when we, well, if I can get this one open, then when we go to, okay, you have your diamond painting, and then you take your washi tape and you take and put it around your diamond painting edge, because you don't want your hand in all the sticky. And then you take the washi tape and you put it across your kit. That way you have it in sections. So when you go to do a section, you take your knife and you just kind of slice very lightly down your sections. So that's what we use these for. And then you can also use these to cut plastic off the tape off your cardboards of your Amazon packages. You can use these things for anything. But I got me a blue one and I got a purple one. And these were only 99 cents on DPClubs. And look, it matches my cutting board. But aren't those pretty together, those two colors? They are. But I can also use these for my miniature kits. I can also use these for, well, anything. I can use these things for anything. Okay, so the next thing I got was this 3mm double-sided tape, and this was only $3.99. This was only 99 cents. And what we use this for is, you know those, well, I can't get that plastic off my hand. You know those, you know the people, I have tried it. I want to practice it, but you take these, you know, the, where you get your pins, and it has those little round discs, and you take the tape and you put it around the disc and you stick it in your what is wrong with me? I can't remember my words tonight. You put it in your tray and you pick up that whole roll, and then you take it and you roll it onto your diamond painting. That's what this stuff is for. Or you can also use it to section off your diamond painting, or whatever, but it's double-sided. So I want to try to do those little roller thingies. So I got me some of that. That was 99 cents. Okay, and then I got a, if I can get it out of here, I got a pen. Okay, so I've been wanting to try one of these thicker pens, so I got one, and this one was the glitter resin pen, And it was $5.79. And of course, they have different colors, but this was the blue glitter. And it comes with a single placer, and then it comes with the large clear, I think this might be a 7 placer. But yeah, it comes with that. Let me see if I can get this to go in there. Maybe. Let's see. I'm always afraid I'm going to break them. Ugh. Okay, I will do that later while I'm sitting down and can really get into it. So anyway, that was $5.79 on DP Clubs. All right, so the last thing that I got was a sketch pad. Now, this is not actually the one I ordered, but I think what I did was, or this is the one I ordered, but it's not exactly the one I wanted. But I think when I sent them the link, I think I sent them the link to the wrong one, but that's okay. So it comes with your pink pen, your green tray, and a little square of wax. And this is what it says. I'm not going to sit and read it, but if you want to pause. But I thought it was pretty when I opened the bag and seen what it was. But it's just blank pieces of paper. They call it a sketch pad because it is blank. But I think it's like 50 pages. And it is like this very soft fake leather. But it's very pretty. And then here are these special shapes that go to them, which we will look at. Now, the sketchbook was $9.79. All right, so we have some large red. We have some yellowish. Nope, those are like iridescent. I keep taking y'all out of screen. Then we have some blue. I think those are pretty. Then we have these blue. Then we have like some lavender, red. We have pink. I think that green is pretty. We have those pink. And that pink and that green is pretty together. Then we have some clear, some purple. So we have that blue and then that blue. Those are pretty, very pretty colors. I can never get these to go back like they come out. Oh my goodness. But yeah, those are very, very, very pretty. Let's see. Very sticky. But it is a partial. Now, like none of the words right in here and right in here, none of that is sticky. Now, the I love you is. But none of those are. But very pretty. Very, very, very pretty. So what do y'all think about this haul? I thought it was pretty neat. And let's see. At DP Clubs, right now, I think everything is 23% off, I think is what it said when I was looking at all this stuff to get the prices and stuff for it. So, but yeah, not bad. 99 cents, 99 cents, 99 cents, $5.79 and $9.79. So, not bad. So, what do y'all think? I think they're pretty. I really think that's pretty. But I think this is the fattest pen I have got. Because most of my pens come from Amazon. So yeah. But anyway. Alright, y'all. I will leave the links to all of this in my description box. And a link to DPClubs in my description box. And I just want to say thank you to them for sending this to me to show to all of y'all. And I hope y'all enjoyed the video. And until my next one, I will see you all later. Bye, y'all.